Because they have to assist like another boat that's close to us. We're fine, but we're sitting in the middle, like we're at a standstill, and you can like feel the boat kind of shaking. We already ate breakfast. Breakfast was way better than dinner, so that was good. But yeah, we're probably gonna do a lot more stuff today because we're all well rested. But that's how this morning's going. It's like 11 o'clock right now. But yeah, the breakfast people, they're like switching out breakfast and lunch and stuff like that. But everybody's chilling, family's over there. Yeah, so I'll get back to y'all when we do something. Okay, so basically, I don't know if y'all can see, but it's like a little speck right here. That's the boat that is supposedly sinking, and we have to stop and help. Oh yeah, so I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's a plane right there that's supposed to be helping save them, so we're gonna watch it. There's the plane right here. Shouldn't they be going back that way?
You gotta land. You gotta find a way to land it properly. They don't got them things on the bottom.
Maybe they're gonna drop a boat.
Maybe they got those things like they put the button in them. Oh, he's turning.
Look like the back can come down.
Look like it's open.
Yeah.
Okay.
The boat over there.
They passed over.
But I think they
boats right here.
Yeah, they turned around. They said they're still looking for them. They said, we don't see no boat.
So we're on the way back to the room, and I'm gonna show y'all our decorated doors. So here's my aunts, here's my parents, here's ours, and here's my cousins. So not he done locked me out. Luckily I have a, really? I was gonna say luckily I have a key. But yeah, so we're finna chill. He's finna shower. Yeah. I'm finna chill and lay down. Yeah. Probably take a nap while he showers. Yeah. Y'all hear him marketing? Yeah. So yeah, and then we're gonna change clothes and go back on the deck and see what's going on with the little boat that needs to be saved. So yeah. Yeah. Hey y'all, so we're back. After breakfast we came back to the room, chilled, and we both fell asleep for longer than what we were supposed to sleep. But we ended up getting up. He took a shower, I already took my shower, and then we got dressed, and now we're finna go to the deck and just chill, probably walk around the boat, because I think a lot of other people are either asleep or they don't have their walkie-talkies. These come in handy, so if you ever go on a cruise like family, make sure y'all get walkie-talkies because these come in handy. But I've been calling for the rest of them, and only one of them answered, and they said they're finna go to the deck and get drinks. I know the food is open. A burger sounds really good, tacos sound really good, so I might get one of those. He's probably gonna get either the tacos again or the burgers. He haven't tried the burgers yet, but they were bomb. But I'm gonna show y'all the fit real quick. So I have this top, and it's kind of dark. Okay, there it is. I have this top, swipe tube top from Fashion Nova. These shorts are from Shein. Sandals, some shoe store in the mall. And then I got a brown bag to go with it, and this is from Shein as well. So yeah, so once I believe he's ready, so probably gonna go to the deck and chill, probably walk around, enjoy the rest of the boat because we didn't really see too much of the boat. So yeah. Y'all, so we made it. He looks good now, so he don't mind being on the camera. Look at the ocean. I'm gonna take pictures. I like my outfit today, so. But we're gonna do Babe's fit check because he likes his fit today, so. Babes, he can't hear me. Where's your outfit from?
Shit, I don't know.
Shein.
Goddamn, I don't know. Shit, socks from Walmart. Shoes from I don't know. But we look good today.
He's so extra. Y'all, this is beautiful. As much as I was like scared of being out in the open, y'all, surprisingly, like, it's crazy, but like, this is beautiful. Like, look at this. Literally nothing but water. See no land. You might see like a little boat out in the far, but that's it. But just water. And it's so peaceful and it's so beautiful. I don't want to look down though, so. But here it is. Your hair's sticking up?
Where? All of it. Oh man. You got me out here looking crazy.
But yeah, so we're probably gonna go eat and catch up with the rest of the family because they're downstairs by the burgers. So I'm in line for burgers. So they give you like a cheeseburger and then fries, and then you can put your own toppings on it, which is great because you can put however much or whatever you want on your burger. But here's the deck. So yeah, just gonna wait in line. Here you go.
Hey y'all, what it is? We on the cruise, man. We on our way to Bahamas, man.
So y'all know y'all got on my vlog. Y'all know you gotta subscribe to my channel, right? Okay. When we get back, I got met some new subscribers. Yep.
Y'all boys chopping out, man. Archie and Bro, you feel me? Y'all boys gonna cut their shorts now. Most definitely.
There y'all go. I'll make sure to put y'all in.
Alright.
Y'all, it's a whole arcade in here that we didn't even see. So we're most definitely gonna come back tonight and play some games because when you're on a cruise, you get cruise credit and you have to put money on a card. So we have like $300 or something worth of credit, and we go to the Bahamas tomorrow, and then Monday we're back. So we need to hurry up and spend that money, because if you don't spend the money, you lose the money. So we need to figure out what we're gonna do. But they have like a Pandora in here, Michael Kors. We'll probably buy some stuff just so we can get rid of that money. So yeah, but y'all look at the arcade. Alright, so we in the stores trying to find something to buy. I found a Guess purse. He found a watch that they're selling for only like $99. So we're gonna try to get something cheap first, and then whatever we have left, then we'll just spend it on that. So I really like that purse, but they got like t-shirts and stuff in here. So they got little hats. So probably find something. A cup? Your mom wants a cup? I don't need any more cups, so I'm not gonna get a cup.
15.
They got bottles over there. but I also don't want to like spend all of our money. But I mean, we're gonna look around here anyways, and then whatever we have left, we're just gonna spend it at the arcade. So yeah, we're gonna see what we can find. She likes more bottle or cup type thing.
I like coffee cup, so probably more so
over there.
Over there.
Yeah. I don't even know if I want to sit in there. If I get anything, it
13 bucks.
It might be like a shirt or something.
I can get that with the cash. To be honest with you, we can just burn whatever you want to on the card.
Okay, get it.
Right now?
It's up to you.
You say get it right now. It's really up to you.
You say you're gonna spend cash on it.
Yeah, I am.
Okay, so you're gonna get it now. I know I want a shirt from the Bahamas. But anything else, I don't know what I want. Yeah, I didn't even see this. They got Victoria's Secret. They have makeup products, cologne, perfumes. And knowing me, I love cologne. Look, they got the Dior. I mean, I love perfume. I said cologne. They got your Dolce & Gabbana.
Yep. They got everything I already got, I think. Dior, Dolce.
I love me some perfume.
Nope, that's not it. That one.
My dad has that. Y'all, I would really like buy some perfume right now, but I'm not gonna do it. If anything, if we still have a lot, y'all, this, if you're a girl, get this. If you're a dude, bad boy. So dudes get bad boy, girls get good girl, and they come in a bottle looking like this. This is for the girls, and then the lightning bolts for the boys. Yo, that smells so good. They got Chanel. See, that's one thing I don't have. I don't have Chanel. What's that?
Armani.
You have a tester? I'm gonna smell this one. Can you spray this one? Y'all, I did not know cruises had all of this. Gonna smell the Chanel. You don't like it? I don't think he likes it. His face. He don't like it. Yeah, no, never mind.
That shit.
Never mind.
I ain't even gonna say nothing.
Never mind.
Keep quiet.
I'll just. Yeah, which one's that one? I just smelled this one. I don't know if y'all can see it. Smell coffee beans. This one right here. Nah. Okay, so you're just gonna get the cup?
Yeah.
Okay. Go check out. Yeah, that did not smell good at all. But we're gonna see what else we can find, and then I'm gonna go back and get that purse that I seen, and then he's gonna get, what did he see? A watch. So yeah.
That's how they dance, even when they together.
Shit.
And we're going up to get dinner.
I mean, the ladies already ready to go eat.
That's fine. Every man for himself.
At this point. So we're gonna go get dinner because we're hungry. And it's dinner time. It's 6:29, so it's time to eat. Yeah. I feel the heat. And enjoy it. So we're trying to figure out what we're gonna eat. I don't know if I want something from the deli. The deli has really good food. I don't know if I want something from the seafood place or the buffet. But y'all remember cruise day 1 dinner wasn't all of that. So we're gonna figure it out. It's really dark right now. It's dark. Okay. Yeah, so burger spot is closed. They got sushi, but they don't have any good sushi that I like. But I think if I could modify it, like take some stuff out, I think I could do that. But we're gonna figure it out. So we're gonna see what we're gonna eat. Yikes! Oh, it is slippery. Floor is slippery. Floor is very slippery.
I'm scared to walk.
But yeah, so the deli's open. Might get some from the deli. I don't know. Deli line's here. I don't know what I want to eat. What are y'all eating? So we're gonna figure out what we're gonna eat, and I'll get back to you. So we're gonna try the deli first.
It's open.
Here's a little menu. I'm gonna get the buffalo chicken sandwich and modify all of that. And then we're gonna try, see what the buffet's talking about tonight. I want some sushi, so I might try some sushi. So we gonna see. Oh, that sounds good. We're gonna see what it tastes like, and I'll let y'all know. Alright, so I got my food. I got a buffalo chicken sandwich, and I added cheese, and they gave me french fries. I didn't ask for french fries, but yeah, I'm gonna give it a try. And dipping sauces, I got honey mustard and truffle aioli. So let's see what this comes out, y'all.
I'm gonna go check out the motherfucking.
Yeah. Pretty good. So, I'm not doing the buffet tonight. It wasn't that good yesterday. And then I tried some of it.
Everything. But people already know
It ain't had no seasoning.
they are. So
But I sent my cousin to get me a ham and cheese sandwich from the deli because that was bomb.
So
Buffalo chicken sandwich.
Our $1 million
It was like a 6 out of 10.
So how do you
But the ham and cheese sandwiches, they're grilled ham and cheese sandwiches.
So especially if it's like a
Bomb.
commercial situation, so like
I think after I eat that, I'm gonna get some dessert. Their dessert sounds good. Hopefully it's good. But try their dessert.
multi-million-dollar
And their frozen yogurt. Oh. Frozen yogurt. Oh. I think I said it in the last vlog. I was like, frozen yogurt was the bomb. Amazing. So I'm gonna get frozen yogurt for sure.
We won $41 million.
And then I think we're gonna go watch a movie tonight on the deck.
So I think you get like,
And I think that's it.
$5 or $9 million just for the
Here's the child.
client has to pay back
But yeah, tomorrow, cruise vlog day 3. We'll be at the Bahamas.
So how much do you get paid off of that?
So
Or how
stay
do
tuned
y'all
for
get paid? Y'all get paid
that.
hourly or?
I'm salary, so I get paid the same
So yeah, I'll get back to y'all when I try the dessert, because ham and cheese sandwich I already know. So trying the dessert, I can't wait to try that. When we first got on, I seen a s'mores peanut butter cake. I should have got that because I didn't realize that they switch up like everything every single day. So yesterday the buffet food was different.
Oh, let's see here.
And then yesterday food was different. The dinner food was different. I didn't like it. Today tried base, didn't like it. No. No fries. But yeah.
So he was like,
Doing this, and then he was like,
But yeah, so I'll get back to y'all when I try the dessert. So we're gonna try the dessert. I got coconut cream pie, coffee cream, something in the apple crock pot cake. She said no, so coconut cream pie.
I don't even like coconut. Let me bust that thing real quick. Let me go in here. Let me find the origin and date of birth.
You like it?
it's like the same texture.
Coffee, something.
God damn. I'm a food person. I can't use it. Yeah, you so right.
Okay. Coffee, coconut cream pie. Not good.
I'm a food
Coffee
person.
cream, something.
That texture is
Hold on.
that texture is
I got you. I ain't gonna let you do it by yourself. I don't want the oats though.
What's with these textures?
They're supposed to be cake.
Yeah, you was living there. It's in the person.
I'm scared of this. This actually looks like
It
cake.
actually
It look like cake, but it's wet.
Oh, that's because that
the
pudding.
on it.
So kind of like bread pudding just a little bit?
See?
It's
Okay.
You're saying that the chicken,
It's not. It's warm.
Okay.
the pudding is
Apple cake with pudding, something.
It's not, bro. It tastes like, what's it, pound cake? It tastes like, no, don't do it. Damn.
back to the frozen yogurt.
Oh, for
guys.
3 from
Back
the
to the
field.
frozen yogurt.
Froyo.
Froyo.
Oh, I don't even gotta do that. Here, where you go?
Over there. Dessert. I don't even know.
Yes, you want yours.
Do they have flavor?
I saw somebody.
I seen some with. I seen somebody with like pink chocolate
Strawberry.
That's probably ice
That's
cream,
probably
not
ice cream.
froyo.
Okay.
Dessert. 1 out of 10.
There's one over there.
Say hi to my mother. She wants to be on the vlog. So bad. She made her appearance. So we're here under lifeboats actually. I don't know if you can tell. But we're on the balcony. And this is our view. So pretty. So pretty. We went to the casino and tried to play like a little, I don't know what to call it. You like have the joystick, you gotta try to get the key in the little keyhole and you win money. Didn't win anything. I was trying to win $2,500, but it didn't work. But now we're here. We might go to a comedy show later. It's only 8:39, so probably gonna do that. And I know there's a movie at 12 a.m. We might do that. But yeah, that's how it's going so far. Tomorrow we will be in the Bahamas. I'm excited. And yeah. So we're at the club waiting on it to open. They open in 2 minutes. So waiting on it to open, and it's 18 and up, so that's a plus. But yeah, we're gonna see what this club's talking about. Then we're gonna go get breakfast in the morning at 8. Hopefully he'll wake up without being grumpy. And then we'll be getting ready to go to the Bahamas. So I'll show y'all whenever we get in the club how the club goes.
Get your own water.
So we was only in the nightclub for like 15 minutes. It wasn't given. So we're going to the mega deck party and see what this is talking about. But we did get there like right when it opened. So of course it wasn't hitting. But we're gonna see what the mega deck party looking like. Because the mega deck party was like part 1 of the nightclub. So everybody going to the club again. So we gonna try it again and see how it is. So we went to the nightclub. We went back to the nightclub and it was lit. I couldn't record because I don't want to get copywritten. But it was lit. It was like a little party. I
done lost my goddamn voice and shit.
You know, they started off with the 90s, and it went to like 2000s, and they brought it to like our generation, and I was like, oh yeah.
Lucy turned me up. I'm a bad ass.
Y'all know, when you go to a party and they play Dreams and Nightmares, it's over. It's over. We went from being like on the outside of the like dance floor, we went to the middle of the dance floor. It was amazing.
I ain't gonna lie to you, if they would have played first day out, oh he was gonna drag me out that bitch. I was trying to get in that bitch. Crazy.
Anyways, that's the end of this vlog. That's the end of cruise day 2. We on cruise day 2? Cruise day 2.
This bitch for 2 days. Damn.
It's the end of cruise vlog day 2. I feel like we've been on here forever. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. So we'll be in the Bahamas in a couple hours. But yes, that is the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you guys give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in cruise vlog day 3.